So Bench2Biz prepares a team which has a technical or technological or scientific idea that they want to push into a product, an innovation, a service, and eventually a business. It provides them the necessary tools to understand what type of questions they should be asking themselves about their idea, their product, their service, and their business idea. What this means effectively is that the teams, typically people sign up in groups of 2 or 3, but you can sign up by yourself. The teams come out with basically a 20-odd set of PowerPoint slides. And I realize that doesn't sound very impressive or very important. But frankly, every PowerPoint slide asks a specific question that you have to think about. It's introduced as a template. And with your team of coaches, IP experts, legal experts, business experts, technical experts, because there's an entire team around you, you get 45 minutes of brainstorming to fill in that slide. And this happens then 20 odd times. At the end, what the end result is are the initial steps toward toward a business plan. Now, part of this slide set you can use as a pitch. Part of this slide set is something that you develop later into a revenue model. And part of the slide set is something that you use later to identify what type of resources you may need, and in terms of people or lab space or what have you. And that helps sort of plant a seed in your mind to help you understand as early as possible what type of things you should be thinking about.